Welcome back to Decodiva, where timeless interiors and vintage inspiration come together to celebrate enduring beauty. Today, we're exploring vintage Craftsman living rooms and discovering why honest materials, thoughtful craftsmanship, and understated elegance continue to feel luxurious even in modern homes. Whether you're restoring an old house or simply love classic interiors, this journey is filled with inspiring ideas. Craftsman living rooms prove that true luxury doesn't always come from extravagance. Instead, natural wood, handcrafted details, built-in furniture, and harmonious proportions create spaces that feel warm, welcoming, and rich with character. Every feature reflects a respect for quality that never goes out of style. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Decodiva for more vintage home decor inspiration. If you enjoy classic interiors and timeless design, please give this video a like and share your favorite Craftsman feature in the comments below. Let's step inside these beautiful living rooms together. One of the defining characteristics of a vintage Craftsman living room is its generous use of natural wood. Rich oak, fir, walnut, and chestnut appear on floors, ceiling beams, window casings, and built-in cabinetry, creating an atmosphere of warmth that immediately feels inviting. Unlike heavily polished decorative styles, Craftsman woodwork celebrates its authentic grain and natural imperfections. Rather than hiding knots or subtle variations, these details become part of the room's visual story, giving every surface depth and individuality. When paired with simple architectural lines, the wood becomes the star of the room without overwhelming the space. This quiet confidence is exactly why Craftsman interiors continue to feel refined generation after generation. Craftsman homes are famous for their built-in furniture, which creates a sense of permanence and thoughtful design. Bookcases, window benches, display cabinets, and sideboards appear as natural extensions of the architecture rather than separate pieces of furniture. These built-ins maximize every corner while maintaining visual balance throughout the room. They reduce clutter and encourage intentional decorating, allowing treasured books, pottery, and vintage collections to become meaningful focal points. The result is a living room that feels carefully organized without appearing overly formal. Every shelf, cabinet, and bench serves both practical needs and aesthetic harmony, reinforcing the Craftsman philosophy that beauty should always support everyday living. A substantial fireplace often anchors a vintage Craftsman living room, becoming both the visual centerpiece and emotional heart of the home. Constructed with brick, stone, or handcrafted tile, these fireplaces communicate durability and timeless craftsmanship. Wide mantels provide space for carefully chosen vintage artwork, pottery, antique clocks, or seasonal decorations without requiring excessive ornamentation. Even with minimal styling, the fireplace naturally commands attention through its solid architectural presence. Comfortable seating arranged around the fireplace encourages conversation, reading, and quiet evenings at home. This emphasis on gathering rather than display continues to make Craftsman living rooms feel welcoming and genuinely luxurious today. Small handcrafted details give Craftsman interiors their unmistakable personality. Leaded glass windows, decorative brackets, exposed joinery, handcrafted tile, and carefully shaped trim demonstrate remarkable attention to quality and craftsmanship. Rather than relying on excessive decoration, these carefully executed details reward closer observation. Every element feels purposeful, reflecting skilled artisans who believed that everyday surroundings deserved exceptional workmanship. These handcrafted features also introduce subtle texture throughout the room. Combined with vintage furniture, woven textiles, and natural finishes, they create an environment that feels sophisticated through authenticity rather than excess. Decorating a Craftsman living room works best when every piece contributes to comfort and longevity. Solid wood furniture, vintage leather seating, wool rugs, ceramic lamps, handcrafted pottery, and classic textiles all complement the architecture without competing against it. Earth-inspired colors such as moss green, deep brown, warm cream, muted gold, and soft terracotta reinforce the connection between the home and the natural world. These balanced palettes create calming interiors that remain beautiful throughout changing design trends. Instead of constantly updating with fashionable accessories, Craftsman decorating encourages collecting meaningful objects over time. This layered approach gives the room an authentic sense of history while maintaining an elegant, uncluttered appearance. Vintage Craftsman living rooms remind us that honest materials, skilled craftsmanship, and thoughtful design never lose their appeal. Their lasting beauty comes from authenticity, creating interiors that feel rich, welcoming, and deeply connected to everyday life rather than temporary trends. Whether your favorite feature is the handcrafted woodwork, built-in cabinetry, inviting fireplace, or timeless furniture, Craftsman interiors continue to inspire homeowners who appreciate quality that grows more beautiful with age. Their enduring charm proves that simplicity and refinement can exist together beautifully. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with us here on Decodiva. If you enjoyed this exploration of vintage Craftsman living rooms, please subscribe, give this video a like, and leave a comment sharing your favorite Craftsman detail. We'll see you again soon with more vintage decorating inspiration and timeless home design ideas.